Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. As in regards with the WhatsApp to M platforms, this video is going to show you how to connect like over 10 accounts to your mobile device. That means how to duplicate WhatsApp app. As you all know that before dual space used to work, but unfortunately now it doesn't work. So there's a better alternative. Just know that you actually pay money for the platform to actually be able to duplicate your WhatsApp. Because dual space isn't working, and when you connect your WhatsApp, if you connect like I don't know, but the first one I connected on dual space didn't really work because I'm using the patched version. But you can also try dual space, but this platform does not have adverts like that, and you can connect one WhatsApp, duplicate one WhatsApp and one WA WhatsApp. So if you duplicate WhatsApp, you get two accounts, and business WhatsApp you get one other additional WhatsApp. Okay, so the name of the app is Clone App. You can go to Play Store and search for Clone App. Just search for Clone App, and this is the app by SZPY Tech. So you just install it. When you open it, it doesn't have any adverts. So as you can note that you can see WhatsApp is already connected. So I think you can connect a max of one account as a free user. Let's try. Oh no, you can't. You can't. So you need to purchase VIP to connect up to two WhatsApp. So I would advise you don't purchase any VIP. Work with what you have. What you have is actually okay. It's okay for now. Don't purchase any VIP. I don't think if there's any wait, okay, yeah, you can actually watch it and get 3 days free VIP. So you can go for that option instead of putting your money into the app. Just as I said, don't put in your money into any application so that you will not end up hearing sorry cases. Just do this one more better. Just watch VIP adverts and get VIP for free 3 days. Keep on doing it like that so that you get your WhatsApp connected. So if you want to learn how to make money using all the numbers you have, all your WhatsApp numbers, click on the top right corner to get redirected to the video. We'll see you in the next video. If you like to see more videos like this, you can hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, also turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new contents like this. And you can also join our WhatsApp group. Link is in the description box below. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.